Hello, my name is TJ. What is your name?
My name is Shurab.
Can you spell it for me, please?
Yes, it is SHOWROB.
Thank you. And what's your name?
My name is Jemu.
Can you spell it for me, please?
Jemi.
Okay, thank you. So, where do you come from, Shuru?
I can.
And how long have you lived here?
I have lived for 3 years.
Thank you. And where do you come from, Jimmy?
I come from.
And how long have you lived here?
I have lived here almost 2 years.
Okay, thank you. Now in this first part, I would like to ask you some questions about yourself. So, Shuru, where do you live?
I live.
So, what kind of place is it?
It is a residential place to live.
So, would you say that it's a good place to live in?
Yes, because it's a great place to live.
So, what is the most interesting part of your town?
The town center is the most interesting part of my town, and it's many good shops and restaurants are available there.
So, Jimmy, tell me about the accommodation you live in.
I live in a flat on second floor of 3-story building.
So, how long have you lived there?
I have lived there almost 3 years.
Okay. So, what do you like about living there?
All kind of living and utility facilities are available there. That's why I like to live in that.
Okay. So, Shurub, do you like to have flowers in your home?
Yes, I like flowers on my home.
So, on what occasions would you like to give flowers to someone?
I would give someone flowers on their birthdays.
So, Jenny, do you like meeting people?
Yes, I like meeting people because when I meet a person, I get to learn many things.
Okay. So, do you like to see your friends during the week or on weekends?
I generally like to see my friends during the weekends because at weekends we can get together.
Okay, thank you. So, what do you do together?
I enjoy almost everything together, but mostly I prefer hanging out with them.
Now, in this part of the test, you are going to talk for about 1 minute. While you are talking, your partner will listen to you. Then your partner will ask you 2 questions about what you have said. Shurab, you are going to tell Jamie about an important piece of advice that you have received and why you thought it was important. Jamie, you are going to tell Shurab about an interesting film that you have watched and why you thought it was interesting. Now you both have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make notes if you want. If there is anything you don't understand, please ask me. Okay, thank you. Now, Shurab, you are going to tell Jamie about an important advice that you received and why you thought it was important. Jamie, listen and ask 2 questions at the end.
Now I am going to talk about an important piece of advice I received and why I think it was important. 2 months ago, my father told me to be patient and have a peace of mind. If I want to become successful, I always do things in a hurry and I want the result overnight. That's why I always fail and I could not succeed. When I start following my father's advice, then I could succeed. So that I think it was an important piece of advice for me.
Okay, Jamie, please ask Shurab your questions now.
Do you still follow this advice?
Yes, I do, because it is very important for me.
Why did your father give the advice?
Because he saw me struggling to do this right.
Okay, thank you. Jamie, now you are going to tell Saurabh about an interesting film that you have watched and why you thought it was interesting. Saurabh, listen and ask 2 questions at the end. Okay?
1 month ago, I watched a film called Fighter. It was an interesting film because the story was based on a true event. It was a story of a pilot named RJ who sacrificed his life to save the life of his passengers when the plane was hijacked, and his presence of mind saved many people's lives. The story shows how being calm in critical situation and you could help people. The film was full of suspense and I enjoyed every bit of the film.
Okay, Saurabh. Please ask Jamie your questions now.
Okay. Did you watch the film alone?
No, I watched the film with my family and some of my friends also.
Where did you watch the film?
I watched the film on my laptop at home.
Thank you. Now in this part of the test, you are going to listen to 2 recordings and answer some questions. You have some students talking in different places. Where are they? A cafe, a study center, a sports hall. Now listen to the information.
Script 1.
Hi, James. How are you?
I'm fine, but I'm hungry.
Me too. The sports class was really long today. Do you know when this place shuts?
At 4:30, but they stop serving food soon.
Okay. Well, I'm just going out for a minute. I'll be straight back. I have to go to the bank and get some money, though.
Well, you better be quick or there'll be nothing left to eat.
All right. I won't be long.
Script 2. Hi, Sarah. What are you doing in here?
I'm trying to do my homework. It's really difficult, though.
Oh, I haven't started doing that yet. Do you want to work together?
Sure. But I don't think we can talk in here, can we?
I think it's okay as long as we're quiet. Shall I help you look for the books we need?
Okay, thanks. That'd be great. But should we just go for a coffee before we start?
Good idea.
Okay, thank you. Saurabh, in the first recording, where are they? A cafe, a study center, or a sports hall?
A cafe.
Okay, Jamie, in the second recording, where are they? A cafe, a study center, or a sports hall?
A study center.
Thank you. Now listen again and answer these questions. Jamie, in the first recording, what time does the cafe close and where must the woman go before she eats? Saurabh, in the second recording, what is the woman doing and what will the man help the woman to find? Now listen to the information again.
Script 1.
Hi, James. How are you?
I'm fine, but I'm hungry.
Me too. The sports class was really long today. Do you know when this place shuts?
At 4:30, but they stop serving food soon.
Okay. Well, I'm just going out for a minute. I'll be straight back. I have to go to the bank and get some money, though.
Well, you better be quick or there'll be nothing left to eat.
All right. I won't be long.
Script 2. Hi, Sarah. What are you doing in here?
I'm trying to do my homework. It's really difficult, though.
Oh, I haven't started doing that yet. Do you want to work together?
Sure. But I don't think we can talk in here, can we?
I think it's okay as long as we're quiet. Shall I help you look for the books we need?
Okay, thanks. That'd be great. But should we just go for a coffee before we start?
Good idea.
Well, thank you. Jamie, in the first recording, what time does the cafe close
4:30.
and where must the woman go before she eats?
To the bank.
Okay, thank you. In the second recording, Saurabh, what is the woman doing
Her homework.
and what will the man help the woman to find?
The books they need.
Thank you. Now in this part of the test, you are going to talk together about how you keep in contact with your friends. So talk together about the ways you keep in contact with your friends.
I usually keep in contact with my friends and family by mobile phone. How do you keep in contact?
I keep in contact with my friends through social media such as Facebook, Twitter, or WhatsApp also. Do you use social media to keep in contact with your friends?
Yes, I do, but I prefer mobile phone. Do you find it is easy to contact with your friends through social media?
Yes, absolutely. It is so easy because they also use social media and it is cheaper than any other way to contact with my friends. How often do you call your friends?
Yes, I call them almost every day. How long do you chat with your friends on social media?
Every day I chat with my friends for 2 hours. And do you send email to your friends?
Basically, I don't. I rather text to contact them. It is easier to text than emailing. Do you ever text your friend?
Yes, I often text my friend, but they always text me a lot.
Thank you. That's the end of the test.